7 were using hacking methods from the 90s.
Because cops never patch analog holes, amigo.
Your hack's blazing in the net like neon at a funeral. 1 more minute, and even Proxima Centauri hillbillies will track us. Run, then trash that Jurassic debugger already.
All units, code blue alert in Sector X11. Confirmed anomalous network traffic. DSPD squad en route.
You're in luck today. They sent the DSPD to catch you.
Shit. How much time do I have?
30 seconds until the shooting gallery opens.
15. All I need.
Your friendly bot bus just docked. You've got 15 seconds till their friendship beams breaks your bones. Lex, speed up.
I'm trying.
Unit deployed. Commencing building purge.
Drones have entered the building. Move, Lex.
Come on.
Lex, I hope you're already at the bar, because a squad of friendly drones is right outside the door. Lex, do you copy?
Unit 31 reporting in. Entered target zone. Activating full spectrum scan protocol.
Did you miss me already? Back door! 10 seconds!
Roger that.
Unidentified terminal. Model. Retrotech XJ90. Thermal signature. Class. Human. Female. 24 to 28 years.
Hurry up, Void! The kiddies are about to get their presents.
Your rescue corvette has arrived.
Registrating the elevated magnetic background.
We barely made it. I think for such missions I need a girlfriend a little bit younger.
And this coming from Corvette more than 200 years old. Very funny.
Actually, my chip was manufactured in 2156, and it's still a mystery to me why you integrated my super tech intelligence into this old bucket.
Because only this old bucket can handle your jokes and your huge ego.
It's not funny.
Energy shields breached.